Students, today we will discuss the last part of this lesson, chapter 2, Kings, Farmers and Towns. So, in this video, we will discuss about the back to basic and also how the Kharoshti was read and also the limitations of inscription, means some historical evidences. And after that, we will discuss some important sources which is given in our book, and from the sources also important questions also I have written. So 4 important sources I will show you in this video. So let's start. See, back to basics. How are inscriptions deciphered? So in this video we will discuss the 3 important topics, subtopics, that is deciphering Brahmi. Next one is how Kharoshti was read. Third one is historical evidence from inscriptions. So now we will start about the deciphering Brahmi. See, deciphering Brahmi. Here is given some important 4 points when you will write about the inscriptions and limitation of inscriptions. During that time you will write that points. देखो यहाँ पे कुछ important points दिया हुआ है जो कि स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में हम लोग ये चैप्टर में पढ़ रहे हैं. That script it was used in most of Asokan inscriptions. हम लोग Asokan inscriptions में ही बहुत सारा स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में देखने के लिए पाएंगे. मीन्स बहुत सारा स्क्रिप्ट उसी समय में ही यूज हुआ था. 18th century में European scholars they aided by Indian pandits worked backwards from contemporary Bengali and Devanagari manuscripts. यहाँ पे यूरोपियन स्कॉलर्स इंडियन पंडित्स का हेल्प लेकर के बहुत सारा स्क्रिप्ट को समझने के लिए कोशिश किए थे, जैसा कि बंगाली एंड देवनागरी मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट से बहुत सारा सोर्सेस उनको मिला था और वहां से वो लोग अपना मतलब ये जो ब्राह्मी और खरोष्टी स्क्रिप्ट को समझने के लिए सक्षम हुए थे. Also assumed inscriptions to be in Sanskrit, although were in Prakrit. After several investigations, James Prinsep deciphered Brahmi. Because in this chapter we are discussing about James Prinsep. He was also a European scholar, and how after the several investigations he deciphered about the Brahmin script. How Kharoshti was read. Script was used in northwest during the ancient time. That script means the Kharoshti script, it was used in the north and western side of India. Indo-Greek kings coins have been also found during the time. It was inscribed in Greek and Kharoshti. Then historical evidence from inscriptions. हम लोग को ये भी पता है कि अशोका मेंशन द डिफरेंट नेम्स. अशोका के समय में जेम्स प्रिंसेप ने बहुत सारा न्यू वर्ड्स यहाँ पे यूज किए थे आफ्टर नोइंग अबाउट द डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस. देवनम्पिया इट मीन्स द बिलव्ड ऑफ द गॉड्स एंड पियादसी इट मीन्स पीजेंट बिहोल्ड. आफ्टर एग्जामिनिंग ऑल दिस नेम्स रेफर टू अशोका. इसके बाद ये अशोका के नाम पे ही हम लोग को ये वर्ड यूज करने का इंफॉर्मेशन ये चैप्टर से हमको मिला हुआ है. सो दैट इज द हिस्टोरिकल एविडेंस फ्रॉम इंस्क्रिप्शंस. एंड इंस्क्रिप्शन से और कौन कौन सा हिस्टोरिकल हम लोग एविडेंसेस हमको मिला या नहीं मिला, वी विल सी नाउ. सी फ्रॉम द ब्राह्मी एंड खरोष्टी स्क्रिप्ट, जो हम लोग को ब्राह्मी एंड खरोष्टी स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में जो इंस्क्रिप्शंस है उसमें से हमको क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली मिला था. Now inscriptions are in praise of king or significant political incident. यहाँ पे हमको praise of king, बहुत सारा political incident और राजा के ऊपर में ही बहुत सारा प्रशंसा, ये सब चीज ही हमको inscription में देखने के लिए मिलता है. But it doesn't mention joy and sorrow of ordinary people. Inscriptions में important चीज जो कि common people का joy and sorrow को mention नहीं किया गया. और जो writers जो लिखे हैं ना, prospective persons who writes, and that things here reflect. So it is that much not helpful for us. And the limitation of inscriptional evidence. यहाँ पे it is also one of the most important subtopic, and also most important question will come in this chapter about the limitation of inscriptional evidence. ये जो inscriptional evidence में से हमको ये भी पता चलता है कि और limitations क्या है इसका, क्योंकि ना यहाँ पे बहुत सारा लेटर्स अभी मिसिंग है जो कि क्लियर कट इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग के पास नहीं पहुंच पाता बिकॉज इट वाज ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ एंशिएंट टाइम्स टॉपिक एंड ऑल्सो अनक्लियर जो कि अच्छा से दिखाई नहीं देता है। बहुत दिन होने के बाद यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ डैमेज भी हमको देखने के लिए मिलता, लेटर्स भी यहाँ पे बहुत सारा मिसिंग है और सर्टेन थिंग्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स जो है कि मेंशन यहाँ पे नहीं किया गया एंड नॉट प्रॉपरली डेसिफर्ड, ये बहुत क्लियर कट इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दे पाता है, अच्छा से दिखाई भी नहीं देता। After the European scholars means European scholars also investigated the different inscriptions, but after that ये जो 4 पॉइंट्स अभी जो बोला गया ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ना यहाँ पे ये सारा चीज हमको देखने के लिए नहीं मिलता। सो दैट इज द लिमिटेशन ऑफ इंस्क्रिप्शनल एविडेंस। See, here is some important source. Source 1 about the Devanampiya, the king Devanampiya Piyadasi had been ruling for 8 years. You will read that source and after that you will see here is some important 3 questions. One after one source, important 3-4 questions is given here in this slide and you try to write the answer after reading that source. So question number 1, what do you understand by Devanampiya Piyadasi and which king is mentioned here? Who were Pativedakas and what functions did they perform? Number 3, in your opinion, how they were different from reporters today? So like this, different questions is here and you will try to write the answer. Number 2 source is about the Sudarshana lake and also here is 3 important questions. Where is Sudarshana lake and how do we come to know about this lake? Like this 3 questions is here. Then number 3, source number 3, Prabhavati Gupta, about Prabhavati Gupta, it is that source and after that also some important questions. See, who was Prabhavati Gupta and why did kings made land grants? Like this, another 2 questions is also here. Source number 4, about the Megasthenes of the great officers of state. Like this is also one of the important source of this chapter and here is also some important questions. So like this, here is some important source also given. So students, this was the last video of this chapter number 2. So those students not seen from the first to last cannot understand about the chapter. So please try to see watch the all videos from the first one from the first part number 1 to 7 and also the important sources is given and also try to write the question answer of this source questions. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. So next I will send you the next video about the chapter number 3.